This is a Hitachi Carburetor off my 1986 Isuzu Trooper. I'm opening it up today to try and solve an issue I'm having with fuel. After a couple minutes of driving, it will get stuck in a rich condition. So everything electronically seems to be working fine. I've checked all of the other emission stuff, so pretty much narrowed it down to the solenoid or just maybe some debris in the carburetor, which after opening it up here, this is me pulling the solenoid out. Originally I had rebuilt this, well, not rebuilt, but cleaned it out when I first got the car running, and it passed smog here in California. There you can see the solenoid, the top and the bottom, it controls fuel and air, I believe. And down in the bottom of this hole is where air comes in. And you can see some debris in there, so I'm going to clean that out and hopefully that fixes my problem.